I just got back from the Kansas City Maker Faire. I've lived in Kansas City my whole life, and I've never had the opportunity to go to the Kansas City Maker Faire. Well, that all changed today, and it didn't disappoint. There was all kinds of cool stuff. I got to talk to some of our friends from the community, but most importantly, I got to see that 3D printing is alive and well with a lot of makers, and that makes me feel good inside. So let's check out some of the highlights. And that isn't even close to all the awesome stuff I got to see. Now, there weren't any dedicated 3D printer companies at the Maker Faire, but that's probably a good thing. There were a ton of makers using 3D printing as a tool, and it's really cool to see that 3D printing is getting integrated more and more into all different types of making. I can't wait to go back next year. I had a great time. Thanks to my wife for helping me collect some of this footage. Hopefully you found this video entertaining. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up or subscribing to my channel. If not, leave your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.